Hello my friends, today we are going to talk about how to manage and organize your bookmarks as well as create new bookmark folders. I have so many things bookmarked, but if I didn't have folders, I would be all over the place. Just take a look at this resources tab. If I had all of those bookmarked in my bar, I would be a hot mess. So let's get started. In order to actually enter into the Bookmark Manager phase, I'm going to right-click any bookmark that I have at the top and simply select the Bookmark Manager. From there, I'm going to be able to see all of the folders that I currently have, all of the subfolders, and if I click into that folder, I will be able to see what I have saved. So if I click those dots, I can edit the bookmark, change the name, change the URL. I can delete it entirely. I can cut and copy it if I wanted to simply copy this to another bookmark folder that I had, or of course I can open it. You can also, inside of these, create new folders. I want it to be known that if you are in a folder, say I'm in the Old North folder, if I click these three dots and add a new folder, it will create a new folder inside of this Old North folder. In order to create a new folder that appears up here, I will need to select the bookmarks bar, select my three dots, and add a new folder here. So let's go ahead and do that. New folder and save. And so there is my new folder. It appears on my bookmarks bar. Now in order to be able to move things to that new folder, I have a couple of different ways that I can do that. Let's say I have something in resources that I want to be moved to the new folder. I have two options. Either I can click this folder and find the link that I want to move. I'm clicking, holding, and dragging over to new folder. Once I let go, I can open up new folder and find the link that I dragged over. You can also do that inside of the Bookmark Manager. If I want to move something from resources, I will simply click what I want to move over, scroll down, and then I will click and drag it to the new folder. Again, it will appear right there, which is awesome. Once you are ready to start bookmarking new tabs, once you have this all organized and once you've built your folders, you can go to whatever tab you'd like to organize, select that star up at the top in the URL bar, and you can change the name if you'd like, and you can also choose which folder you'd like it to go into. So from now on, as you start bookmarking, you can say, okay, well, this is a current project, so I'm going to go ahead and save it in current projects and click done. You can also, if you wanted to, always click that more option, and that will take you to this, which from here you are also able to move things around, organize them, add new folders, change the bookmarks that you have, etc., etc. I hope that this was helpful and that this will help you organize your bookmarks if you, like me, are a bookmark fanatic. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you later. Bye!